What's up, stackers? So today I'm going to show you how you can start making money with Facebook fan pages. Now this is going to be a free mini course that I put together for you guys. This is going to go out over the next few days, and I'm going to teach you exactly step by step on how you can start making a killing with Facebook fan pages. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with different videos on how you can start making money right here online. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So what will you be learning? You're going to learn how to build a following on Facebook fan pages and how to monetize and make money from that following. So I'm going to teach you how to find a niche, creating your page the right way, finding content, scheduling and automation, because you can actually automate this little business and have it run for you, how to monetize your following, and how to build your following for super cheap. So if this is something that you're interested in, go and hit subscribe right now, because I'm going to bring out a lot more content just like this. Now this is going to be the first video in this series, and this is going to be about finding a niche. So let's go ahead and dive in. Now this is one of the best places that you can come to find a niche. Now I will leave a link for this in the description below so you can go through and check it out. Also, I want to ask you, what are your favourite hobbies? Or what do you like to do in your spare time? Because chances are you can build up a following around that interest or your hobby. And if you actually do it that way, you're going to come across more authentic. It's going to be easier for you to find content, and it's going to be easier for you to engage with your community because you already know about that subject. You can actually build a following in any niche that you want, and these days it's actually quite easy to monetize that niche as well. So if we just scroll down this page, we can see a list of hobbies that you could potentially build a fan page in. So we've got airsofting, radio, pets and dogs. Obviously pets and dogs would be a good one to build a fan page in, because there's so much monetization opportunity. There's so much that you can sell to your audience in pets and dogs. Now if you go with pets or animals or dogs, I wouldn't go very broad. So I wouldn't have a page like I love dogs or I love pets. I would narrow that down to a dog breed or a certain type of pet. Okay, so then there's archery, arts, astrology, baseball, base jumping, basketball. This is a really good site that you can come to just to have a little look through hobbies and see if anything jumps out at you. Remember, it's easier to build a following in a niche that you already know about and is one of your hobbies. So come to this page. I am going to leave a link for this down in the description. Come through and have a look. Now you don't have to build a following in a hobby. You can also do TV shows and also films. So if you have a favourite TV show, chances are you can build up a following around that TV show and sell cool shit in the process. And selling stuff around a TV show or a film is actually really easy thanks to Amazon. There's so much stuff on Amazon related to films, TV shows, that you can become an affiliate for, sell that stuff and make commissions. Now you can also sell mugs, t-shirts, hats, hoodies with quotes from that TV show, which is actually really easy to do. So for an example, I have a Big Bang Theory fan page. Now I haven't touched this in a while. I do plan on bringing this page back to life because it used to make me money. So I'm going to show you just a couple of examples on the fan page of what I was actually selling. So as you can see, I built this page up to nearly 8,000 likes. If we scroll down, we can see I made a mug just here, which I was selling. I'm defo getting one of these. Heart, love heart emoji, grab yours here. That was just a quick design I put together, which was really easy to do. I was also selling Amazon stuff on this fan page as well, related to the Big Bang Theory. So if we scroll down, we're more than likely going to find one, as we can see here, a Big Bang Theory pen. You click that link, it takes you over to Amazon. So if someone clicked that, went through and brought it, I would make a commission. Or if they brought anything else on Amazon, I would make a commission from that as well. So like I said, building a fan page around a TV show or around a film is actually really easy, and there's lots of ways that you can monetize that. So what I want you to do is write down a list of hobbies, TV shows, anything that you like to do. Write that down in a list so you can figure out what you want to build your fan page around. Now, if you're liking this free mini course, this free little mini series on how to create money from Facebook fan pages, then leave a comment down below saying hell yeah. And if you're watching this sometime in the future, you can click that card up there in the right hand corner, go through and watch the second video in this free mini course. Now, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.